I can only see your face when I close my eyes.
Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever?
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jules for those of you who are new. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I get fuller lips just using beauty products. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is how I make them look fuller when I just wanna wear lip gloss. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take your favorite contouring stick, and at the moment, I love using the NYX Wonderstick pencil, and this is in the shade WS03 Deep. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the darker end of the stick and contour around my lips first. So what I like to do is I like to contour right below my lip and also focus right above on the cupid's bow. So I'm just focusing the contour right in the center of my lips. That's gonna give you a more poutier look. So I'm gonna just take it on my lower lip first. And I'm creating a shadow below that lip to make it look bigger. And then I'm also gonna define my cupid's bow and take it above that as well slightly. And that alone made my lips super huge, as you can see. So as you can see, I focused it mainly in the center. So I put a shadow right under my lower lip, just right in that center area. And I also extended that on the top where my cupid's bow is, a little bit above that as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a damp beauty blender and just blend out any harsh edges, still leaving a shadow around the lip, but just more natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. As you can see, there's just like a slight shadow around your lip and it gives you the illusion of bigger lips. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Dior Lip Maximizer, and this also helps with plumping your lips. So I'm just gonna take that and top it off. And then I'm gonna also top it off with this Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker with a P in Plumsup. And I'm gonna go ahead and top it off on top. And this is also a lip plumper, so you're gonna feel that tingly sensation. And it also has a little bit of a tint to it, so that's why I like using this on top, because it gives me a little bit more color in my lips. And there you have it. This is what I do when I just want to wear lip gloss and make my lips look fuller. That made my lips look huge. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to make your lips look bigger using lip liner. So the first lip liner I'm gonna take is this lip liner by MAC in Spice, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my entire lip. Now I'm gonna take a darker shade, and I'm using the NYX lip pencil in Nutmeg, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour my lips. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're basically gonna fill in all the corners of your entire lip, so all 4 corners. So starting with the lower, as you can see, just like that, you're shading in that area. And we're gonna do all 4 sides. And for this area, you want to stay within the borders of your lips. And then we're going to go ahead and overline focused on the center. So we're gonna overline where the cupid's bow is and then the center of the lower lip, just to give you that pouty effect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and line the lower lip, but I'm also taking it a little bit past your natural borders of your lips. Just like that. And don't worry if there's any like messiness, so we're gonna clean that up after. And then you're gonna do the same on the top. And then last, I'm gonna create a line down the center of my lower lip that's gonna make your lips even juicier. Just like that. So I noticed that I kind of went a little bit over the line, so I'm gonna just take a flat shading brush by MAC. This is the 242, and I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC40, and I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hand. Just take the slightest amount of product and just go ahead and clean up any areas you see that needs it. That already made my lips look huge. Okay, to top everything off, I'm gonna use the KKW Beauty Classic K lipstick. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my lip and blend out any harsh lines. And I'm kind of just patting it on. And I'm gonna use my finger to blend everything out. Wow. Look how big my lips look. Do they look bigger? They look huge to me, which I love because you don't have to go get lip injections. You just do it in the comfort of your home with using beauty tools, without pain, without anything, just beauty products. So lastly, you can leave it as is if you want more of a matte look, or if you want to take it a step further, you can top everything with lip gloss to make them even bigger, because you know lip gloss always makes your lips look juicier. So I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with the Dior Lip Maximizer just to take it a step further. And there you have it. That is how I make my lips look huge without having to get lip injections. So that is all for today's video. Hope my tips and tricks is gonna help you make your lips look bigger. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. These simple tips and tricks, I'm gonna go ahead and contour with this lip liner. Seriously, super huge. Huge, okay, bigger. Cause huge, like huge, juicier. So I'm bigger, cause